Understanding the phrase, not interested, an English learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, not interested. Understanding this phrase is crucial for English learners, as it is widely used in everyday conversations. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. Not interested is a straightforward phrase used to politely decline an offer or express a lack of enthusiasm or desire for something. It's a softer, more polite way of saying no, without being too direct or rude. 1. Sales and offers, when someone offers a product or service that you don't need or want. Example, a salesperson offers a magazine subscription, and you respond, "Sorry, I'm not interested." 2. Social invitations, politely declining social invites you're not keen on. Example, if a colleague invites you to a party you don't wish to attend, you might say, "Thanks for the invite, but I'm not interested." 3. Opinions and topics, expressing disinterest in certain topics during conversations. Example, I'm not interested in discussing politics. I'm not really interested adds a softer tone. Not particularly interested indicates a mild lack of interest. Not very interested, a less direct way of showing disinterest. Now you know how to use not interested in various contexts. It's a polite and effective way to express disinterest without offending others. Keep practicing, and you'll become more comfortable with its usage in no time. Happy learning!